Imagine asking your AI assistant a question and it already knows where you're looking at. No extra taps, no context needed, just answers. That's the future Google's working on with Gemini, and it might be closer than you think. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your help of the latest tech updates. A recent deep dive by Android Authority into the latest Google app update has revealed a code pointing to a new automatic screen context setting for Gemini. Currently, to ask Gemini about something on your screen, you need to manually trigger it, activate screen context, and then make your query. It works, but it's not exactly that easy. But that won't be the case anymore. Google appears to be testing a smarter, more seamless experience. If the new feature rolls out, Gemini will be able to detect when you're asking about what's on your screen and automatically pull in relevant context to answer. No need to tap, ask about screen. A subtle message will notify you that Gemini used screen context, along with a link to disable it if you prefer more privacy. It's all still hidden in the code, unannounced, unfinished, and it can change as well. But the hint is clear that Google wants Gemini to be more proactive, intuitive, and deep-touched into how we interact with our phones. And with the Pixel 10 just here, don't be surprised if this feature launches as part of Google's next big AI push, making your phone feel just a little more like it's reading your mind. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.